Hey guys, I'm just doing a quick review of this Harbor Freight Bead Breaker. Normally I always never have much issues breaking the beads. I use clamps and have a little system that I do, but I was doing this bike that I'm building and it was just insane that I could not, no matter what I did, get the bead broke. And it was just driving me crazy to put that Kenda big block tire on it. I work on a lot of older bikes like projects, and sometimes these old tires, the beads break easy, or sometimes, man, it's just you're fighting it. And there's all different techniques you can use, but I just got tired of it, so I went down and I purchased this. And it's such a simple little system that I just can't even believe I didn't do it a long time ago. For $54, I think I picked it up. So I'm just going to show it really quick on how it works. It works real simple, and let you guys see. Thanks. All right, so we're just going to put the tire on here like this. Swing it around, get it right in there tight. I usually just put some weight on it here and push down like that. It's that simple. And it just breaks the beads so easy. Spin the tire a little bit. And that's it. And that's how easy the bead breaks on these. You know, it took me, 20 seconds. Takes longer to get the thing out and get it all swung around into place. And that's how. So that's about it, guys. It's real simple. It's real basic. Nothing to make real into a long video. It's got multiple leverage points to get a little bit more strength on it when you're breaking the bead, and depending on the thickness of the rim or the size of the tire. You know, it's all kind of just screw tight, bolted together. It seems a little bit floppy, but honestly, when you get it done, it's so easy on the leverage points. It's going to save your rim from getting damaged, because you start using clamps and they slip, and pry bars, all that kind of stuff to break a bead. I've damaged rims in the past, and it drives me crazy. So I can't believe I didn't do that sooner. So thanks guys for watching. You know, please subscribe. We're going to be doing more videos on this Walking Dead bike when the front end's coming in and finishing it up. And like if you thought it was worth watching, and leave me a comment. Take care, guys.